Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is going to be for those that want to make Instagram reels with their DJI Neo. That's right, if you have this drone, apparently there's no Instagram feature, but we're going to enable it with some software tricks that will get you started and up and running. So just in case you want to do a content redirect and maybe become an Instagram superstar. This thing calls for Instagram superstar. Ready on 3, 2, 1, action.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you want to
Neat, huh? Well, you get the idea. So without any further ado, let's get started. You'll be able to make it look like your footage was shot like this so that you can post it, whether it's Instagram or what's the other one, TikTok. All right, so whichever, or because if you're doing your content and selfies and things, sometimes people like that portrait mode instead of landscape. All right, come. What you're going to do is you're going to take your phone, whether it be the iPhone or Android phone, doesn't matter because it'll work with either or. We're just going to open it up. You're going to open up the DJI Mimo app. So here we go. I'm just going to push everything here so that you guys can see it all in real time. Just 1 second. Here we go. I'm just going to move this over a bit so that you guys can see me in the other window. Okay, I'm just going to, here's the DJI Mimo, and just going to, don't need to connect to the camera. And so you see here where it says editor, click on editor. Okay, we're going to add a clip. So let's say I want to add this reel right here. Okay, and then click next. So as you can see, it's this way, right? And sort of like landscape mode, and we want it in portrait. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on, you see the Asian lettering over there on the top in the middle, right? So we're just going to press it, and you're going to see where it says 9/16. You press that, and then what you're going to do is just tap on the screen so that it just looks there. And then what you're going to do is, right, you're going to press 9/16 again, okay, so that it does what it does. And then what we're going to do is just scrub a little bit so we can see the footage, and then tap it. You want to be able to tap the footage so that we activate like you just saw. Watch, let me show you. Oh, it's there now. But on the right hand corner, it wasn't there before. This little icon right there. And then once you press that, voila. Now you have your Instagram reel. And you too can be an Instagram superstar. See, when I press play, I'm just going to lower the volume. I wonder if it'll play through here. See? And there you go. Now I have some footage for my feed on Instagram. I might throw it up, or even not even Instagram. You can do YouTube shorts. So let's say this is another way to make YouTube shorts. As you can see, kind of neat, huh? And that's pretty much it. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. I hope this video helped you. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time.